Morning, it's the 15th, and I feel crap. I really do. Anyway, just come for a walk up to the lakey things, and already I'm being followed by a goosey gander. He's kind of in the water. But all these birds. No, I'm just out of it. I don't feel like I should be walking. I should be sitting at home in the yeah, exactly, in the warm. Got this cough, and everybody's suffering from it. But yeah, I think staying in the warm might be a good idea. But look at this lot. Morning, gander. How are you? Are you all right? You are? Are you well? I'm sure you are. I got no food though. No, I haven't. Okay. Yeah, they come up to you. See, that one's kind of a young one, and this one's got a yellow bill, so he's a different sort. More grown up, I think. Adult, maybe. Morning. Canadian geese. It's quite muddy or shitty here with all the birds. So, it's a blue sky. When I came out, it was only 5. It's up to 7 at the minute, because it's quite a nice day, as you see. Not too certain if I want to do a walk all the way around there. Not with me cough. So when I came out into the cold air, it catches you. Oh, look, looks like a crocodile, very thin crocodile. Actually, it looks like there might have been some ice forming across there. That cold. Nah. I'm thinking with me cough, I don't think I should be walking around. I think I should go back along to the car. But yes, you can see the ground. It's horrible. It has been raining. You can feel the mud under my feet. But these guys will, as soon as you get your hands in your pocket, they think they get food. Excuse me. Right. So, no, it's too muddy and slippery and everything else. So I'm just going to have a wander back to the car. Yeah, I say. Oh, look, the Gandhi team's following me. Morning, chaps. How's the water? Cold? Somebody got food. So they're all wandering down to the food. All right. Yeah. Hey. Oh, he's got a snorty. Anyway, that is the birdies. He's on a sign. They're not bothered. They let you walk up to them. It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's the morning vlog. I've coughed and I've choked, and those blue sky, it is cold. So I'm going to go home, get in the warm, maybe go on flight sim, see what happens. Okay, catch you later. Bye.